Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making beetroot and gooseberry cutlets. Beet and gooseberry, both of them are supposed to be treasures of health-oriented nutrients and minerals. We have already explained about their health benefits in our previous videos. You may click on the links given in description column to have a look at health benefits of these ingredients and watch few more recipes with both of these healthy gifts from nature. Make these healthy and delicious beetroot and gooseberry cutlets and serve to your dear ones at breakfast or as evening tea time snack or as cocktail starter as well. Everyone is going to love these delicious and mouth-watering healthy cutlets for sure. We are using one medium-sized chukander, that is beetroot, for making this delicious and healthy snack. Put a pot over medium heat with enough water in it to boil. Place beetroot in boiling water. Also place one medium-sized potato into boiling water to boil if you are not having any pre-boiled potato on hand, as it will also be needed for making cutlets. We had boiled potato on hand, so we are not adding potato into boiling water at this time. Cover the pot and boil for 15 to 20 minutes or until beetroot is cooked through and gone tender. In the meanwhile, when beet is boiling, grate 2 medium-size amla, that is Indian gooseberries. Transfer grated gooseberries into a bowl. Sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt and squeeze half of a lemon into it. Salt and lemon will pull out that little bitterness of gooseberries while retaining its tangy taste and vitamin C in berries. Stir to mix salt and lemon juice well with grated gooseberries and keep the bowl aside for a while. Remove beetroot from boiling water after 15 to 20 minutes and leave to cool down to room temperature so as to enable easy handling with hands. Beetroot has well cooked and gone tender too. Peel of skin completely from boiled beetroot. Discard the peel. Peel boiled potato also. Grate peeled potato in a large boil and keep aside for a while. Also grate boiled and peeled beetroot in a plate or bowl separately and keep aside for a while. Put a pan on medium heat and grease it with 1 or 2 teaspoon cooking oil. Spread oil all over pan. Add peeled and chopped 1 medium-size onion into greased hot pan. Adding onion is absolutely optional, and if you don't eat onion or don't want to add onion in cutlets, just skip this step. Stir and sauté onion for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Sauté while stirring occasionally until onion is well browned. Add boiled, peeled and grated beetroot into onion in pan after it is browned well. Stir to mix beetroot well with onion. Cook while stirring occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes, then reduce heat to medium-low. Season beetroot mixture with 1/2 teaspoon or to taste salt and a pinch or to taste of red chili powder. Stir to season mixture evenly and cook for 2 to 3 minutes at medium-low heat. Cook while stirring occasionally on medium-low heat until mixture is almost dried. Remove pan from heat. Add beetroot mixture into grated potato in large bowl. Squeeze grated gooseberries well so as to drain out liquid and add into same bowl. Mix all ingredients well with your fingers or a spoon. Add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste bhuna pisa jeera, that is ground roasted cumin. Salt to taste. Keep in mind that we have already added some salt while cooking beetroot. Also add a pinch or to taste red chili powder if like cutlets to be a bit spicy. Mix all well and knead just like you knead dough for chapati. Cover the bowl and leave aside for 10 to 15 minutes to rest. Knead the mixture again for a couple of minutes after resting period. Grease your palms with cooking oil and pick little mixture into your hands. Roll with greased palms and shape to cutlet. Put the shaped cutlet gently onto a plate. Make more cutlets with remaining mixture. You may add little corn flour into mixture if mixture is too wet or you find it difficult to roll and shape into cutlets. But adding corn flour will not let cutlets remain so soft and delicate as they are without flour. Shape all cutlets into your choicest shapes and place on the same plate. You may make your preparations up to this step in advance and refrigerate rolled cutlets until serving time. This will save your time while serving. Put a pan over medium heat for deep or shallow frying. Gently drop rolled cutlets into hot oil. You may air fry or grill or even bake these beetroot and gooseberry cutlets if like. Make a healthier version. Reduce heat to medium-low after all cutlets are placed into hot oil. Gently slide cutlets to shift their places after frying for 2 minutes. It is required to ensure that cutlets don't stick to bottom of the pan. Gently flip cutlets onto other side one by one. You need to be careful while turning sides as these beetroot cutlets are too delicate, especially if you have not added corn flour into mixture. Fry cutlets until well browned on both sides. Drain well-browned cutlets onto paper towel or tissue-lined plate so as to soak off any excessive oil. Serve delicious healthy beetroot and gooseberry cutlets accompanied with choicest dip sauce or chutney. Enjoy! We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us and it motivates us to do more and more good work. If you are watching our channel for the first time, then click on our photo or red subscribe button below to subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell button besides it so as to activate automatic notifications of our all new videos. Stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.